Okay, we're here at a gutter helmet installation, and so we put the helmet on, and it wasn't too long after we put the helmet on, somebody came in and removed the roof and tried to reinstall the helmet. Well, what they did was they took the helmet and they just flapped it up, hinged it, stood it on end, and then pushed it back. And they did a couple of things. The most important thing is you can see the gap now between the nose of the helmet and the gutter. That nose of the helmet should be out either flush or a 1/4 inch past the gutter. There should be no more than a 3/8 inch space between the helmet and the gutter. I can actually fit my whole hand in between this whole back section here and most of the front. So on this section, for some reason, they put it on top of the second course of shingles. This section they could have gone ahead and laid underneath, but the thing is, again, what they did was when they pried this up, they didn't set the second course of shingles at the right spot, and then when they put it back down, they shoved the gutter helmet back. So now instead of the debris falling past the gutter, the debris is going to fall into the gutter. So that they didn't use any butyl tape on the fasteners. They skipped a lot of fasteners. You can see our old holes, and there is no fasteners left in there. So a lot of actually on this whole back section in here on the left side of the house facing from the street, you might get by with getting up underneath the shingles, but all of the brackets are going to have to be replaced because the nose of the helmet is not in the right spot. You can see the big space here too. So I think what they're thinking about doing is laying another course of shingles on between, and that can't be done because you have too much of a buildup there. So this bottom course of shingles, the bottom 3 courses of shingles, is normally what has to be reworked. So that's got to be done. But yeah, there should be no more than a 3/8 inch space between the helmet and the top of the gutter.
You can see right on that corner.
Yeah. You can see that big old space right there. It should not be like that. I should be able to see inside that gutter, because what I can see from here, this is a leaf that's trying to get off the roof edge. That leaf can get into the gutter now.